Nice windy day.
How far do you think we'll make it? Before it all falls off?
All the way.
Huh?
All the way.
Sadie, come here, Sadie. Stay over here so you don't get in trouble. Hi, Sadie. Okay, while we're waiting on Chris to go ahead and finish pruning the trees and for us to have more limbs to take down to the fence line, we got to go ahead, and our next project is to go ahead, and we had an old fire pit and it had some bricks in it. We're going to go ahead and load up the bricks and go ahead and get them all rinsed off so we put them away in the garage and get it all cleaned up so we're ready to mow over it. Okay, so we got them all loaded up out of there. So Cassie, are you going to do it or am I going to do it? Push it up.
Both.
How heavy is it? Let's see how heavy it is.
Like as heavy as 2 bags of chicken food.
2 what?
Like 100 pounds.
Oh, 2 bags of chicken
More.
feed, is that what you said?
Yeah, it's about 50 pounds.
Okay. Why are you going backwards?
That's easier than pushing.
You're going the wrong direction.
Thank you. Thank you. Blooper.
It's trying to help a sister out.
Sister. Daughter.
Your sister in Christ.
Yeah.
Tell me when you want to trade off.
Never. Not really. I want to right now.
You want to trade?
Yeah. Never mind.
Oh my gosh.
Told you so. Told you so.
Let's see if I can get it turned around.
I told you it would be
I
heavy.
don't know if I can pull it up.
I told you it was heavy.
Let me get it started.
Poor mom. R.I.P. your arms and legs.
There's no way. We gotta go. We can't take the bricks out. We're gonna do it. Oh, you know what? I think I might try your way.
Yeah, my way is easier.
Oh, that is much easier.
Told you so. Who's right again? Like in the baking episode. Right again.
Where am I going?
Up the hill.
How much farther do I have?
Like half a mile.
Okay.
Hi, brother. Once again, I am right. Like in the book cooking episode.
Okay.
Boink.
Okay. I think that's good.
Here, I'll just spray on.
Okay. You want your boots on? As you can tell, they had to really thin out the blackberry bush this year. We're hoping to go ahead and get some new bushes maybe this year. If not this year, for sure next. But at least we'll still have some blackberries this year. Just not as many as we're used to. Hey guys, we really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to hit the like button. We'll see you next time.